thank you for coming back. Thank you for clicking on this video. If this is your first time, please give this a thumbs up, subscribe. I have a ton of content coming your way. Anyway, we're doing another unboxing. I recently came across, not recently, but I've always known about this brand called Lost Queens. It's a black-owned jewelry business, website, whatever terminology you want to use, and I've always loved their stuff. They had a Black Friday sale where everything on their site was 50% off. They currently have one running for Christmas. Check their Twitter or their page, lostqueens.com, and you'll see that they have 50% off this month till Christmas, I think. Don't quote me, but yeah, Lost Queens is a black-owned business. I love their jewelry, so while I was away, there's so many pieces on the website that I like, and I'm trying to get into more, what's the word I'm looking for? Like pieces or things that are going to last or things that are mature. Like I want to stray away from my Forever 21 H&M, AliExpress fake knockoffs bullshit and more into pieces that are going to last a long time or pieces that are going to add or elevate in outfits. That's what I'm trying to get into. But like I still want to keep parts of my personality. Like I love bamboo earrings. I go to the beauty supply store and shop like $5 and I have 5 pairs of different hoop earrings. That's just my aesthetic. I have name necklaces, name rings. Like I still want to keep parts of my personality, but at the same time I want to be able to transition into more, elevating my outfits with pieces. So I got their mystery box, which was 50% off. Here's it is, Lost Queens. I do love their logo. I love this font that they use. Unfortunately, the box got fucked up in transit because we all know during the holidays, UPS and postal workers do not give a fuck about, oh, this your package, toss on the ground, stomped on. So it got a little messed up via transit, but I believe everything is fine. I thought this was really cute. We're gonna open it. I've been obsessed with them. I follow them on Twitter, and inside, I think the mystery box was like 3 or 4 pieces of jewelry. I forget. I bought it in like a Black Friday haze. So here's their card. You can find them on Twitter at Lost Queens. It's the same name across the board for Instagram and Facebook. So this is their card. Here's their social handles. I really do love this type. Again, I love their print. I love their font that they're using. I think it's very cute. So it's very tropical. I know that they recently worked with Meg Thee Stallion, and we love our hot girl Meg. Drive the boat. I love her. They recently made a piece for her, and I thought that was really beautiful. So in my mystery box, they gave me a bath bomb, which I love. I have a bunch of seasonal bath bombs from Lush that I haven't used yet because I like the concept of taking a bath, but I just never take one personally. But this is cute that they threw that in there. I know it came with 3 pieces of jewelry. We're gonna see what's in here. This is what it came in. Okay. I love these earrings. They're these nice bold statement earrings. In previous stated videos, I always said that I love to have my hair slicked up and then have like really nice statement earrings to draw attention to my, I think, elf-like ears. So I really do appreciate this. I think this is really cute. Okay, thank you. So far loving it. And it came with a bracelet. I forgot what the name of this is. I'll probably add it somewhere on the screen or down below in the description box, but I really love bracelets like this. Yeah, I used to wear a lot of Alex and Ani bracelets, so this is very reminiscent of one, only like without the dangling charm. I really do like this. I think it was like the tree of something, but I picked the gold one because I don't know if it's obvious, but like I really love gold. Like drip me down in gold, por favor. They have this really cute ring. I'm sorry, I'm like looking at it. Really cute. Will it fit on any of my fat fingers? Probably not, but if it's on my pinky, or we can be bougie ghetto and just kind of put it on our midi rings. They're very cute. Are midi rings still cute? I think they're still cute, so I'm gonna wear it either as a midi ring or on my pinky, which I love. Okay, and there's one that I'm really here for, untangling things. Ooh, I'm sorry, I'm untangling it. It's taking a little bit of time, which is fine. I've been loving these clips. It just says Queen on it, and I love them. Like, I have a few that I bought from AliExpress that I haven't worn yet, but there's just something so... I love that we're getting back to the 90s and, like, being a child. All that good shit. Oh, Queen. I'm here for that. Like, it's not holding anything but, like, a braid, but, like, I'm here for it. Maybe when my hair is straightened or out, I'll put this in my hair. I really love this. It just says Queen once again. And then next we have is a necklace. Ooh, I was just talking to my little sister about how I need to add. Look how pretty this is. Okay, there's a moon, and 2 gems, I guess you could call them. I'm here for this. I'm obsessed with the moon. I don't know if it was obvious, but I have a moon tattoo. Eventually, and as I progress through life, I'll get the sun sign. Not to be very corny, but I always figured when I have my first child, I'll be like, they're the sun of my life, you know? Ooh, okay, it's a little hard to unclasp because I would definitely wear it right now. Just to add, I love multiple necklaces. But yeah, I love Lost Queens, would definitely recommend them. I love this mystery box. I feel like these are very on par for me. Things that I personally would have bought on my own. But you get a deal. You get earrings, a ring, a necklace, and an accessory. And they threw in a bath bomb for me, which I really loved and I really appreciate. So thank you, Lost Queens. Would recommend them. 5 out of 5. And they, yeah. Website is very pretty, very aesthetically pleasing, easy to navigate, and they currently have a deal, so I would jump on it. So that is my unboxing / review of Lost Queens. I recommend them. 5 out of 5. So happy holidays. Hope you have a great day / night. Bye.